Okay, so now when we analyzed our target audience, we can go to competitor analysis. You should convince your customer that your service is better than the competitor's one, as we have already talked in the previous lessons when we are studying business and marketing with ChatGPT. So now let's delve into competitor analysis. I will supply you with a detailed prompt, same as we did with TA analysis, and then we'll have some insights from ChatGPT on how to analyze our competitors. Because our ultimate goal is to stand out and to provide better service or to offer something unique to the potential customer that your competitor doesn't have. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we will be using version 4. Why version 4? Because it can analyze links. In the next module, we will regard GPT-4 in details. But now I'm just going to show you how GPT-4 works with competitor analysis. It will analyze links of our potential competitors. Alright, select GPT-4 and let's go forward. So the prompt will be attached as a PDF file to this lesson. Now I'll just copy and paste the information from it. Okay, so this is the prompt. Let's say Chat is an expert with 10 years of experience in competitor analysis on the marketplace. And then we have step 1, step by step, step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 steps, similar to what we had in TA analysis in the previous lesson. Alright. Okay, so ChatGPT replies. Let's start with step 1. Could you please specify the niche or industry? So at this stage we can copy the information from our previous chat. Let's keep working with Abby, the dietitian, and I will just copy and paste the information from the previous chat about her. Alright, so while it's generating the response, ChatGPT-4 works a little bit slower than 3.5. However, it gives a result of higher quality. When you have information about yourself, it's better to keep it collected in a separate place. So when it's saved in the text form, you don't have to every time to answer the details about yourself. You can copy, paste and go. Okay? Alright, so let's read the response. Thank you for sharing your background and services, Abby. Main competitors, independent nutritionists, health and wellness organizations, okay. Digital platforms and apps, okay. That's a good segmentation by competitors. Their strengths, their weaknesses, alright. Promotional strategies, pricing, it's important. Well, let's go further. Let's tell bot that I'm working all over the world with English-speaking audience. However, my competitors are from Canada. I work online all over the world with English-speaking people. Region is not so important, but my competitors are mostly from Canada. Okay, global and Canadian independent nutritionist, digital wellness platforms, strengths, weaknesses. So ChatGPT just adjusts its response to what I provide above. Alright. Okay, so at this stage what we can do, we can find a competitor on the internet and then paste the link to ChatGPT and ask to analyze the competitor. Okay, let's go to Google search and type nutritionist Canada website. Okay, and let's see what Google can offer. Virtual nutritionist services, dietitians of Canada. Join our communities. Okay, I found this website, julianutrition.com. So it looks like this is a website from the private nutritionist. And it's our competitor, yes, because Abby is also a private dietitian. So let's compare their profiles. I will open this link and see what's actually here. Okay, dietitian and nutritionist, perfect. Registered dietitian and nutritionist Canada. Alright, so now I would like to extract information from this website by ChatGPT. So I will copy and paste the link. I will type I have found my competitor and paste the link. Alright, I would say that this description is quite generic. I will ask a follow-up question. Please analyze Julie's website and provide detailed analysis according to my request above. No. Okay, so as you see, GPT-4 can read links, but it does not extract too detailed information from it. We can ask for GPT Assistant. We will talk about GPT Assistants in detail in the next module. But now I will just tell you there is a GPT Assistant called Web Pilot. So let's open Web Pilot and provide the same information with the same link. Okay. For this purpose, I should close this chat. I will go to Explore GPTs here. Find Web Pilot, there we go. Start chat. In this case, I should copy and paste all the information I pasted to GPT-4 because this is a new chat and it needs the context. So let's go to this one. I will open it in new tab and then Web Pilot. Alright, so now I'm copying this prompt. Okay, so now it's pretty short answer. Let's copy this one. Okay, so now it's starting action searching on the internet. Let's see what Web Pilot will offer for us. There you go. So look. So it has already found certain competitors on the internet and now provides their full analysis. Great. All right. Market overview. Perfect. It provides prices in US dollars, so looks like that it has just analyzed a global nutritionist market. Let's tell chat that I work online all over the world, but my competitors are from Canada. And let's see what it will tell us in this case. Alright, so it provides a new search, I guess according to Canadian market. Okay, health and nutrition consulting. This is a competitor. What services does it offer? Perfect. Okay. Insights for Abby. Perfect. So I am Abby in this case, right? Let's go further and let's paste the last sentence where I found the competitor. I have found my competitor. Please analyze her and give me valuable insights. Okay, there we go. And you see that this analysis by Web Pilot is much more detailed than ChatGPT did. Although ChatGPT-4 can access links, but it doesn't provide so deep analysis. So for that purpose, it's better to use Web Pilot, and we will talk about that in next module. For now, I believe you learned a lot of valuable information how to analyze your competitors. So just master this skill and good luck with promoting your services online.